Hello everybody. Today I can reflect through a point. I can do a point reflection by counting to the point of reflection in both directions. So it's similar to a line reflection where I'm counting to what I'm reflecting over, but for a point, I'm counting in both directions to get to that single point. Now, one thing to know about point reflections, this is going to sound a little strange, but a point reflection is a rotation of 180 degrees, about whatever that point is. So when we're talking about orientation, a point reflection does not change orientation. A line reflection does, but a point reflection is a rotation. It does preserve orientation. It's not really important for this lesson, but just important in general. S is 0, 6. So I can use this example for every single lesson. U is 3, 5. N is 3, 0. It wants me to reflect this triangle through the origin. So I am going to count from each point to the origin. So N, I need to go left 3. Let's just make the origin darker. I need to go left 3. So I'm not going up or down for that particular one. So it's just left 3. 1, 2, 3. That's going to be N prime. S prime, I'm just going down, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I want you to watch very carefully with U, because those two happen to go in one direction, but for the most part, it'll go in two directions. So to get from U to the origin, I'm going 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. 3 left, 5 down. So whatever I do to get from the to the origin, I do the same thing. 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. That's my U prime. So I got my S prime, my U prime, my N prime, and that's it. So you're basically just counting in two directions. I know for S and N we happen to just count in one because it was lined up with the origin, but you're counting in two directions. It does say to see the coordinates. S prime, U prime, N prime. S prime is 0, -6. U prime is -3, -5. N prime is -3, 0. Let's do another one. I've got A is 3, 1. I've got B is 0, 4. I've got C is -5, 3. Let's connect those. I probably should have been using lines this whole time, but whatever. It wants me to reflect it over or through the point 1, -2. So I'm going to count from each point to the point of reflection. So I'm going to start with A. To get from A to that point, I'm going left 2, down 3. So left 2, down 3. That's A prime. B, I'm going right 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going right 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B prime. And for C, I'm going right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of these are rigid motions, which means all of these the shape should be the same size, the same distance. It looks good. It's not asking me to state the coordinates. I don't have to. I'm done. That's it. For a point reflection, you count to the point that you're reflecting over. Whatever you do to get to it in two directions, you do the same thing through to the other side. That's all I got for you. Practice it. And have a nice day.